Calculus 2, Unit 1. Unit 1 covers 4 topics. The first 3 deal with inverse functions, and the 4th is a new rule called the L'Hopital's rule, which we will use later. Why are inverse functions so important? Well, suppose we want to figure out how much a person earned on Monday. Multiply the hours the person worked times his hourly wage. So say he worked 8 hours for $10 an hour. 8 times 10 is $80 a day. Later next week, the person knew how much they earned per day, say $120. How many hours did they work? Well, if they still got $10 an hour, you would divide this time. 120 divided by 10 is 12 hours. So these two operations undo each other. That is how exponents, logarithms, and inverse trig functions work. Exponentials are used in the study of population growth and radioactive decay. Logarithms are used in studying earthquakes. The domain and range of these functions are very important also. With trig functions, the domain must be restricted to make the function one-to-one. Remember, a function must be one-to-one to have an inverse function. Finally, the L'Hopital's rule is used in evaluating limits of indeterminate form. These forms include infinity over infinity, 0 over 0, and more. But the important thing to remember here is that you must first check that it is one of these special forms, or it is not applicable.